Welcome back to the AgenticFlow AI channel. Today, we're continuing our series on quickly creating workflows via the AgenticFlow CLI using Claude Code. So today, I'd like to introduce a prompt to create a job application package blueprint. This will help HR professionals quickly use CV information and job descriptions to generate scores, seeing if a candidate's CV fits the job description you're recruiting for on social media. And at the same time, this workflow, like all previous ones, will be a Cloud Code flow that creates tests and then outputs the results. It'll also send us a link to the workflow on AgenticFlow AI so we can access it quickly. It's very simple. Just copy this prompt into the Cloud Code section and hit enter to run it. Then just wait a few minutes for Cloud Code to process this prompt to produce the workflow we want. So here, as you can see, Cloud Code is now beginning the process of fetching the necessary resources and files that it needs to continue models and LLM provider connections in order to get the exact model that it needs to run. And it's also retrieving a recipient email address so that we can test this workflow. We won't have to wait long at all, which is great news. In fact, Cloud Code has already gone ahead and provided us with an email suggestion that we can try out. This means we can move forward without any unnecessary delays. Let's take a look at the suggestion and see how it works for our needs. As you can see, Cloud Code has already deployed the workflow. That was very fast. And you can also use Cloud Code to troubleshoot and debug the workflow agents that you have created. You can use Cloud Code to fix bugs, search for errors to improve, or suggest ideas to perfect, your workflow and agent to serve more purposes, for example. So here we can see very quickly, after just a few minutes, the workflow has been created. There it is. And here we have an analysis of the strengths as well as the points that are not yet quite as strong in this CV. So you can see both the positive aspects and the areas that could still use some improvement. Okay, here you can take the web UI of the workflow. You can adjust it to check how the workflow was created on AgenticFlow. There. So you can also go to the workflow tab to refresh, or you can copy the link to enter the workflow directly. Okay, so here we can clearly see several different nodes for scoring, for writing cover letters, or for composing different parts of an email. You can also review the full history, the specific one that Cloud Code has run for you. Then, okay. So here, CV senders or even HR professionals can use this workflow to both thoroughly evaluate candidate information and help us write better, more effective CVs to use when applying for jobs. Besides that, it can also create a variety of different email templates, which means we can quickly and efficiently respond to candidates, or if we prefer, we can set it up so that we can use it as an email to send directly to the HR department. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video all the way through. If you have any questions at all, or if there is anything you would like to know more about, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below in the comment section of this video, and we will do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Hope to get a like and a subscribe from you. Once again, thank you and goodbye. And see you in the next episode.